Hey guys, it's week 3 of the 6-week hair regimen from HENNA SOOQ, the Ayurvedic hair regimen, and I'm starting off this wash day using their cleansing, conditioning co-wash. And then my treatment for today will be the Ayurvedic scalp and root mask. This is frozen because, again, fresh ingredients. So I'm going to thaw this out, but first I'm going to wash my hair and I will be back to show you what everything is looking like. I feel like I always come on, my hair be looking a hot mess, but it's good to see that though, right? Because then you can see me go from hot mess to freshly washed and conditioned hair. Look at how smooth that co-wash leaves my curls. Very smooth, very detangled. I detangled my hair with a wide tooth comb while under the water stream, and these are my silky soft results. So it's now time to apply the mask. So here's the mask. I transferred it into this glass bowl, and I'm going to apply it to my hair in sections. So this stuff has a lot of slip, and while I know this is a root mask, I'm going to apply it first to my hair, and then I'm going to get into my roots. And I like to smooth the product to my cuticles feel really, really smooth. And also that helps the product to penetrate the hair strands. I'm going to get into those roots because whatever is in these herbs, hunty, I want to make sure they penetrate this scalp and get to stimulating that hair growth. Look at that. It almost looks like when I apply henna, but this actually does contain henna, as you saw earlier on the screen. It has this sort of, I don't know really, I can't really explain the smell. It's very herbal, of course. Very, very herbal. If you like the smell of herbal things, you will definitely love the smell of this here mask. So I'm going to really get into my scalp. And don't forget those ends. And while this treatment can probably cover maybe 2 sort of applications, I think that if you're shoulder length hair or beyond, you'll definitely need the entire bag. And obviously if you have really long hair like waist length hair, you might need 2 packs. Hair is super smooth. Like there's like no effort whatsoever with applying this. Very little tangling, if any at all, really. It's just like I can glide my hands through this. The gloves help also, but the product itself, along with the co-wash that I used prior, really, really smooth results. There's something so satisfying with knowing that you're doing something really good for your body. It's just like anything, like weight loss or, you know, getting a facial and just being really consistent with your self-care. That just makes you feel good, especially during times like now where there's so much going on in the world. You just want to like do something really special for yourself. So for me, I like to invest in my hair care But I also like to invest in other things. But since we're doing hair, we're talking about hair care. So when I use all these herbs on my hair, I tell you, my hair during the week has been feeling very moisturized. Even though I will tend to spritz my hair with a little bit of the rose water, I feel like it doesn't really necessarily need it. It's just like a treat, you know? But look at this. Look how smooth. Being that my crown is very sensitive and it is prone to more breakage than the rest of my hair, I'm going to apply what's left of the mask, or every little drop, every little I'm just going to slather it right in the crown, right down the part line, because nothing goes to waste. And of course my edges also, being that I have natural cowlicks and I'm trying to grow in this section of my hair, I'll apply a little bit of this extra, what's left of it, to that area as well. I'm going to finish it off by wearing a plastic cap, and the recommendation is to leave it in your hair for as little as 30 minutes, but a maximum of 2 hours. I'm probably going to leave this on for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, because I'm going out today and I need to make sure that my hair is done. So I'm going to leave this on my head, let it penetrate my scalp. I'll probably put my hot head on for a little bit, and then probably 30 minutes, and then for the remainder of the time I'll just let it marinate in my hair. But anyway, this is week number 3. We'll see you next week for week 4, where we move right along through this process. I can't believe I'm halfway through the whole Ayurvedic herbal hair regimen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.